So welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we solve the problem of easy level of minimum toggles to partitioned, right? This is a easy level problem, and that problem, the problem is very simple. We have given the array. We just have to count how much toggles we need. Then this is partitions, which means 1 is the separate and the 0 is separate. In the consecutive we didn't have get any of the 0 add, or in the 0 we didn't have to get any of the 1, so that is the consecutive. So that's the problem. So the problem is very simple. Two partitions, how much toggles need to partitions this array. So we can see here this 0, this 0 and this 0, which means this 0 is toggled from the here and this one is sent to here. So that is the only for that is the 1, but we just have to toggling, and that means that is the good approach, and that is the best approach, nothing to more. Like the first thing is this one has to come out here and this one come out to here, so two togglings need here, right? So okay, and here we can see only for this one has to reach out there and nothing any to come out from here, so that is the only for 1, and here is 2. So what comes in your brute force approach? Try every possible partition index. Left side all should be 0, right side all should be 1. Count how many toggles needed, right? So how many toggles we need? So if I will explain as example, okay, this one, now left should be, now I just do partitions 0 1 0, and the second is 1 1 0, right? Now left should be all 0, left should be all 0, which means 1 2 0, toggle needed 1, toggle needed 1, and right should be all 1, 0 to 1, toggle needed is equal to 1, right? So the total is equal to 2, that's we need here. And if I write the code of this part, so you can see, I just explain the whole code and write n is equal to array dot size, and then we just have to create, I just have to partition the thing, right? So I just have to partitions, and for the partitions, for int I is equal to 0, I other than is equal to n and I plus plus, right? 0 is equal to and plus plus. Now into toggle, why this is needed? Because if there is any consecutive, then we just have to toggle the out, toggle to 0, right? So here left part should be 0, left part should be 0. Now for int j is equal to 0, j greater than is equal to I and j plus plus, right? Now if array of j is equal to 1, then toggle plus plus, got it? Now here right part should be 1, correct? Now here for int j is equal to I to j greater than is equal to n and j plus plus, here is if array of j is equal to 0, then toggle plus plus, answer is equal to mean of answer and toggles, and then return answer. Now I can check it will run or not. Yeah, so that is the answer. The answer is we just have to create one answer. Int answer is equal to what is int max. We have written the mean. Yeah, so answer is mean, answer, and toggles. Okay, that is toggle, not toggles. That is my bad. Now compile. So yes, so it will run. Yeah, it will run, but that is in that the time complexity is order of n square and space is order of 1, but the time is order of n, order of n square. So for this we can optimize it, and for the optimization we can use the prefix and suffix array, right? That is the better approach. In that, instead of recalculating every times prefix ones is equal to number of ones from 0 to I, they are wrong on left side because left side should contain only 0, right? So this is, so in that, in the prefix and the suffix we can use, then the time is order of n and space is also of order n. We can further optimize it, then the time is order of n, the space is order of 1. So that's your task to write the optimal code, that means better approach code, right? You will comment out this in our chatbot, then I will explain how to write your better approach in comment box. So thank you so much.